In this video, we're going to be looking at money and what the functions of money are. Okay, so the first thing that we need to know is that money is what we use day to day. Okay, we should know this, so I'm going to move on from that one. So we use it day to day. The main function we use it for is a medium of exchange. Okay, so to trade with people, it allows us to trade with each other, and it's a universally accepted payment method. Okay, so if you go to the shop, you want to buy some food, you know, you give money, you get the food, you've made a trade, okay, without even thinking about it. So if we did not have money, we would have no specialization. We'd have no doctors, no accountants, no farmers, etc. We'd have nobody specializing in any given field, because obviously without money we wouldn't be able to pay them. Okay, so as a result we would have lower efficiency as well, and we would allocate resources less efficiently. Okay, so there are 4 functions of money that you need to know about. Okay, the first one we've already explained above, so this is the medium of exchange, but there are 3 others. So the first one is a measure of value. So money allows us to value things. So for example, if you go to the shop and something is £19.99, that's its value. Okay, that's what its value is, and it's up to you whether or not you want to pay for it. But if you want to give up £19.99 of your money, that's how much value you've lost, if you see what I mean. So the other thing is, it's a store of value as well. So it's something, basically money is something that can hold its value for a long period of time. If money doesn't hold its value for a long period of time, then basically there'd be no point in putting your money in the bank accounts. Okay, what you'd do is you'd spend your money all in one and you have no money left. Okay, so in order for money to function correctly, it needs to hold its value. Okay, and just as a side note, this is why hyperinflation is such a bad thing for an economy, because when hyperinflation occurs, money's value is decreasing every second. So yeah, just a little side note on that one. The other thing that we need for money to be something that functions is it has to be a method of deferred payment as well. So what I mean by saying that is that in order for us to have money as a method of deferred payment, what we'd be able to do with it is buy something today and pay for it tomorrow, because that money is going to hold its value, and I can pay someone back tomorrow for something that I buy today. And this is what basically the whole finance industry revolves off this. Okay, if you buy something on credit, you're buying it today, you're getting possession of the goods today, and you're paying it back slowly tomorrow. Okay, so these are the 4 functions of money. Hope that made sense. Any questions, just leave them in the comments box below.